Today I will show you how to make a tequila pop. A tequila pop is a tequila-based cocktail typically served in a shot glass. It is a simple mixed drink with two ingredients, tequila and Sprite. To start, 30 ml tequila, 30 ml Sprite. So 1 part of tequila, 1 part of Sprite. So now you have a tequila pop. When you serve it, when you pop it, you can use a coaster. But for me, you can use the napkin, the paper napkin, and do like this and pop it. Serve. Or you can put one. And then it's up to you. You can, while you serve this one, you have to put fresh sliced lime on the side. So now you have a tequila pop. Now, I am using tequila and Sprite, that is tequila pop. If I will use tequila and ginger ale, is a tequila a slammer. So remember, when you use Sprite, 7-Up, or lemon lime soda, this called is tequila pop. When you use ginger ale, same procedure, this is called a tequila slammer. So you can put also the garnish on the top when you serve on the table. So enjoy your tequila pop.